Welcome to my video. Private label rights. Everyone wins with PLR, making money online. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. Would you believe a person if they told you that it was possible to take another person's work, change it any way you please and call the edited material yours? What if that person also told you that besides being able to do so, you could actually profit from that work and not be liable for any copyright infringement? If you haven't heard of private label rights, then most likely you'd think they were pulling your leg. But all the above are true if you are able to secure these rights. But what are private label rights? To understand why private label rights are so special, you need to know about resale and master resale first. Resale rights are simply permission from the owner of a work to allow you to take the said material and distribute it for your own profit. Master resale rights take it a step further and allow you to sell the resale rights to the work. The reason why it is called master resale rights is because it covers a large set of permissible actions to the person who acquires those rights. Experts would tell you that to get the most of your purchasing of master resale rights, the following list of actions should allow you to: 1. Give the material away unaltered. 2. Combine the material with others. 3. Give the material away as a bonus item. 4. Use the material as content for websites. 5. Divide the product into separate articles. 6. Put the rights for the material or the material itself up for auction. 7. Provide the material as content for paid membership sites. 8. Sell resale rights for the material. 9. Change or alter the material. Buying the whole set of these rights is great, but it can cost you. But there is a way to get almost all of these actions and not have to pay as much for master resale rights. If you acquire just the right to change or alter the material, which is exactly what private label rights are. With these set of rights, you are given permission to change another person's work. By altering the material, you have made the work your own, which then allows you to profit from the material any way you intend to. Let's say you were able to acquire private label rights for a particular ebook. What can you do? For starters, you can break up the book into separate chapters and then sell these as articles. On the other hand, if you were able to acquire private label rights for a set of articles, you could combine them and package it as a book, which you then can sell. You can change the material's content by adding or removing details. You can also add pictures or illustrations as well as other media like sound or video clips. All of these actions are possible, but the best part about private label rights is that you are not obligated to mention the original author for the changes you have done to his or her material. You can claim the material as yours by putting your name as the author of the material. With these changes, the ways on capitalizing on them are many. You can come up with a whole new set of products from a single material source. Take an ebook for example. On one hand, you've broken up the book to sell them as articles. On the other, you've enhanced the book's content with media to package it as your own work and putting it up for sale on the market. Acquiring private label rights is a great way to create a brand for your business. As you may already know, one of the keys to a successful business is to distinguish yourself from the rest. With private label rights, you can change the material and make it uniquely yours. If your target market likes your material, your market can perceive you as an expert in your line of business, which is something you can really capitalize on as you sell your products or services. However, it is not only the person who acquires private label rights who stands to benefit from it. It may be difficult to understand at first, but selling private label rights benefits even the original creator. With the increasing demand for original material to be sold with private label rights, a writer can make good money from his or her work. The incentive is that he or she can command a higher price for the work given the rights that go with the material. Furthermore, selling the right to change the material any way the buyer wants is actually giving new life to the material. By giving the buyer the freedom to change the content in a number of creative ways, the material's usability and relevance is extended. By compensating the original content creator well, by allowing freedom and flexibility for the purchaser, and by giving the end user a wealth of very useful information, private label rights are by far one of the best things out there in the world of online marketing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 digital products that you can sell as your own.